All right, folks, Dolly, so it's time for something to smile about. So the instructions are, so you see those cups down here? We have to show you them, the cup. Wait. See the cups. So we are asked to stack the cups by blowing the balloon. So you kind Oh, you're going to send me them in the right instructions. So you're supposed to blow it up and move the cup and stack it, no, sir? All right, here are the instructions.
Something to smile about. Balloon cup pyramid. Simone and Neville must form a stacked pyramid of at least 6 cups. To achieve this, they will place a balloon in their mouth. Whilst in their mouth, they will put the balloon in the cup and inflate it to secure the cup. They will then move the cup over to their target table and place it on the table by deflating the balloon. Have fun.
Okay, lady. When are you ready? Sir.
Ready? I'm waiting on you.
No, I have to catch down there.
Call someone, dude.
No, wait now.
You ready?
No. You ready? Rock. Cock. Drink.
Hold on. Apparently we're not doing it the right way.
Are you supposed to deflate the balloon each time and then reinflate
No,
it?
you stack them on each other. What does that mean?
You know that me not do a while left go.
Okay, I understand.
What?
I understand. All right, I understand.
Shut up, Shane.
I understand.
Ready? Rock.
Hold on now. Oh, wait, look up, Samaruni. So we don't need to do these 3 then?
These are already set.
Yeah, these are, so we can't do those 3. Yeah, we don't understand, say we are bright to set up people in the world.
Ready? Bloodlines. No. So what again? I'm the one on top. Oh, John. This is too much. Arg.
Wait, I am going to do it, don't smile.
I didn't touch yours, sir. This guy.
Don't shake my one.
I'm tired, I give up. I heard give up in. No, I don't give up in. The rub is in. It's not gonna rock, nothing. Take a jab. Hey! Let me tell you. Is it doable?
It is doable.
Come,
but we almost did.
Come in.
Come again. Hold on. First, I want to say something first.
So the rub is getting it.
No, I just want to see. So it can be.
The rub is after you've laid it out to get the balloon out of the cup, because when you let the air out of the balloon, it moves the cup.
All right, come again. Come, Samaroni. Yeah. Ladies and germs. Oh, shut up, sir.
Need a chin. It's 2 minutes leaving this segment for True God now. Me not stopping now. We're not giving up. Oh yeah, I saw what you did there, Nev. Your strategy in. Oh dear.
Wait.
Sorry, pardon. Come, I'm on Team Nev now. Come on, Nev, you can do it! Solamente uno. Don't breathe in, don't breathe, don't breathe, don't breathe. You breathing? No, wait. Little more to the right. Little more to the right. This is gonna fall. We're gonna take a break, everybody, cause this.
No, the best part, I've always been a very good blower. So this is, I've always done well blowing, but this one.
This blow beat you bad.
This blow you have me. But.
Say what?
Exactly right. Can we let's just take the break.
We're
There?
so
Take a break. No, master.
We're so come.